18% left. Guys, somebody just walked by me and said they like my vlogs. I'm in half a tree and I'm trying to look for mesh shorts to go with my carnival outfit that I'm creating in my head, but nobody not have no mesh shorts. Seems like I might have to go downtown. I could go inside to this place. I'm gonna turn this off. Guys, I'm back and I'm in a beauty supply store. I can tell you this, beauty supply stores smell the same everywhere. I need a flat iron because I'm like, oh, I feel to flat iron my hair, but I don't got a flat iron. But I want one of the expensive ones, you know, that the hairdressers use. But I'll be seeing them. This is too tiny. Like, can you imagine me doing my hair? Too tiny. Are you getting through there? Yep. Thank you. So I left the other place. Just take stuff. After I told the lady there's nothing I need her help with. She was like, you know, you can't film in here. I'm like, okay, turn it off. Sorry. Huh? Mesh? Do you have any mesh shorts? Where I can find like the mesh? Yeah. Alright guys. So no luck. So I'm just gonna go do what I have to go do. My upper lip is sweating. Guys, I'm still on the fact that a subscriber. But I don't know if she's subscribed, but she told me she liked my videos. I was thinking about it when I was in the store. Nah lie, I'm nearly ball. Excuse me. Somebody. I'm nearly balling at the store. I just couldn't. I couldn't contain myself. She's like, I like your video. Hi. I'm not have it today, sorry. Ugh. Huh? I'm not have it. Don't have it. Okay. Oh Jesus. I really don't have it. People want money. I'm not having it. Me barely have it. Me want money too. Give me some money. Anyways. Oh Jesus, it's hot. Anyway, I'm gonna go head out. Go where I gotta go. I was hoping to find somewhere. I got the shirts, but it seems like I might have to go downtown. Hello. So I'm watching Razor Blade TV vlogs, and I'm watching the meet and greets. I started it a couple days ago, but days got busy. But I'm watching it now. I'm in Starbucks. I always come here to edit, especially when I need to actually do some work. But I'm so sad I had to leave early. The video nice, man. Watch everybody. And then I saw on Instagram them they go eat. Yo, make sure you guys go and check out Razor Blade. I'm gonna leave him link them down below. I'm gonna leave everybody links down below of this video. I'm gonna try to remember to. It's definitely in my other video for the reggae sumfest. No, reggae month. Yeah, but anyways, I gotta go. Hold on. Oh my goodness. My fault. My case broke. Oh. Anyways, I just realized I broke something on my GoPro case. I'm driving right now. I'm on my way to the airport to pick up my sister, and I'm late. I'm so late, but I'm almost there. Like, the airport is across this harbor, and I'm like 15 minutes away. But anyways, what was I saying? Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to fix the thing that I broke with some like strong like furniture glue, because something on my tripod had broken and I fixed it with the same type of glue, so I'm gonna say it's strong enough for hold the something. If you can fix it and not buy a new one, go right ahead. Save those coins, sis. Save those coins. I'm gonna go in that lane here. Anyways, me I burn up into this, and I never want the wind. I never want the wind get too caught up. But anyways, good morning. Today is March 6th. Mommy's birthday is in 2 days. Devani's birthday is in 2 days, and today's Auntie Judy's birthday. But anyways, the light's about to change, so I'm gonna head out. I'll see you guys when I'm at the airport.
You think the last time you got a heart, made of gas time.
Continue straight.
Past time. You're so cold, you make tears dry. See you for the last time you got a heart.
It smells so bad. The fish market. I've noticed it's sports day everywhere. Well, not everywhere, but I'm gonna pause this real quick. Yeah, it's sports day. It's sports day at Devani's school as well. I know I said that it's sports day down here. Guys, my sister. Hi. My thing broke when I pulled out my. Yes, I have to fix it.
So small.
It is tiny, and it's like.
Gonna buy one. They said I might have been so mad. Look how small
No,
that is.
you should get one. Another person I know just bought one. He got the latest one, the Hero 8. You should be able to, but then old people.
Unloading all the things I bring for people. Like, this is all out of these whole suitcases. Only this is mine.
Only this
that.
side part.
And my pig bag. And my pig shoe. But that's it.
That suitcase,
It's
stuff.
for people.
Stuff.
And you see, it's heavy. 65 pounds.
65.
But that's why you travel
Did you get
first
a
class,
Did you get a good
because
person?
You get 270 pounds.
Really?
You travel first class. You get food, you get drinks, and you get 2 suitcases 70 pounds.
I think I'll
And
only
your
travel.
bags come off first.
Come off. Really? I think I'll only travel first class if I'm going to somewhere far.
I
Cause
could be going to Miami. I'm going first class, baby.
but it just doesn't look that. I like the first class where you kick back and you lay down and you're
It's
sleeping.
about the
And
70 pounds. Because like I cannot.
you always
overpack.
overpack.
Like, I don't wear makeup in Jamaica yet. I have to carry this. Like,
This bag is cute though.
I know. It was on Amazon for like $20.
See guys.
With a hot pink shoe.
Ooh.
Because the funeral, you have to wear blue. Only Jamaicans have color coded.
Yeah, you have to wear blue or pink.
Royal blue.
Royal
I'm color blocking.
Okay.
But only Jamaicans have like color coded funerals.
I like the foot part.
Like, I'm like,
Oh, this is cute too.
Amazon.
Amazon. See, mommy loves Amazon
Bougie
as
on a
well.
budget, baby. You got bougie with the bags and cheap with other things.
Okay, guys. So I don't know. You guys need to start watching my videos because the last couple videos, the views aren't what it used to be. So what's going on? Is there something that you guys want to tell me? Let me know. Make sure you give this video a like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.
For the world up. Where them a go do ya now? Pick them girl up. Where them a go do ya now? We still a win. Whoa, we still a win. We still a win. We still a win. We still a win. Them girls keep the black thing shining. We still a win. We still a win.